Are you considering Magento for your e-commerce needs? If you're curious about the benefits of Magento 2 Enterprise, then keep watching. We have expert insights you will want to take advantage of. Magento 2 Enterprise is a paid version of Magento. It offers scalability, catalog management, page builder, analytics, and PWA features. Here's how these can benefit your online store. Magento 2 has valuable features designed for businesses of all sizes. It offers scalability and customizable features and is worth the investment. Let's explore why we should use Magento 2 Enterprise. It aids e-commerce businesses in accelerating growth, maximizing sales, and attaining custom solutions. Magento 2 Enterprise offers features like enhanced database scalability, advanced search capabilities, and support for Google Tag Manager. Now, let's dive into its top-notch features. Advanced Search in Magento 2 Enterprise provides an incredible customer search experience by delivering accurate results that satisfy customer expectations. Advanced targeting and segmentation tools in Magento 2 Enterprise enable personalized content and promotions for specific customers. The platform also provides extensive merchandise and marketing capabilities that assist businesses in increasing sales. Magento 2 Enterprise Edition has superb content management capabilities, like a drag-and-drop page builder that lets you create and customize web pages without any coding knowledge. It also benefits B2B transactions, supporting refined pricing, negotiated pricing, and customer-specific catalogs. The Enterprise Edition significantly enhances navigation and shopping experience, catering to basic e-commerce requirements. Built-in client management tools can effectively manage their customer database, leading to targeted and efficient email marketing campaigns. With Magento Community and Enterprise versions catering to businesses of distinct sizes and requirements, the Enterprise version is ideal for high-volume stores due to its superior performance and scalability features. Regarding security, Magento 2 Enterprise outshines by providing secure and reliable online transactions. That's a wrap on Magento 2 Enterprise Edition's top features and benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.